Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla. Hey, it's tough in this gun cloth world, man. The thing not normal, you know. Big man thing, big woman thing, it not normal, you know. Is it? Yo, when I look on that clip, I have to say, yo, no security, no dead. No security. There's no way no security could be there. You know, it's like everybody sitting this, it's like everybody do this thing. You see what I say? I don't think them even realize. Say camera catch them and do these things, you see me? You see me I say? Because look at it. The man make sure walk up to her neat and stuff whatsoever up in the bosom, you see me? Stuff it up there. Try to make it look like part of the bosom. Alright? The greatest thing is no life, no loss, you see me I say? And trust me, some of the time I see some people do some things like this, you know. Why them good go through some things in life, why, you know, maybe hunger and starvation. But when me look again, them don't look hungry to me. Them look healthy, thick and firm up, good clothes too. What really I go on in this world? Yeah. Oh boy, I just life, you see me I say? Anyways, people don't let me know what to think, you see me I say? Yeah, because really and truly, me not really and truly want to sound like, you know, I disrespect, you know, certain things, but the store needs security. Me not see security. You see me I say? Or maybe the security asleep. Alright, so let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel and you want to keep up to date, you have to click the subscribe button. You see me I say? If you need to contact me, read the description down below. At Dancehall Skilla, you know, at the Dancehall Skilla on Facebook and Insta, you know the thing go. My name is Skilla, and that was Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.